Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Hallway Heaven. You are looking to transform your hallway into a stylish and inviting space. You have come to the right place. Our channel is dedicated to all things hallway decoration, offering you a plethora of creative ideas, dye projects, and expert tips to revamp this often overlooked area of your home. Each week, we bring you inspiring and practical content to help you make the most of your hallway space. Here's what you can expect from our channel. Number 1, Hallway Makeovers. Watch as we take on various hallway makeovers showcasing different styles and themes. Whether you prefer modern, rustic, minimalist, or eclectic designs, we have got you covered. We will guide you through the entire transformation process, from choosing color schemes and flooring options to selecting the perfect furniture and decor pieces. Number 2, dye projects. We believe in the power of creativity and personal touch. Our channel features a wide range of do-it-yourself projects tailored specifically for hallways. Learn how to create unique artwork, craft decorative wall hangings, build storage solutions, and more. Number 3, space optimization. Hallways are often narrow and limited in square footage, but that doesn't mean you can't maximize their potential. We will share clever space saving techniques such as utilizing vertical storage, installing multifunctional furniture, and incorporating mirrors and lighting to create an illusion of space. Number 4, seasonal decor. Get ready to celebrate every season and holiday with our hallway decoration ideas. From festive wreaths and garlands to seasonal color palettes and accessories, we will help you infuse your hallway with the spirits of